What is going on, Pats Nation? Here we are looking at the stats so far on the year. Got Damon Harris, 9 touchdowns. Kendrick Bourne leading the yards. Hunter Henry leading touchdowns for the receiving core of this team so far. Christian Barmore, Matthew Judon, Winovich, Garcho leading the team with sacks. Hightower and Dudder leading the team in total tackles. Interceptions, Kyle Dudder's leading that. Jonathan Jones, Hightower, and Adebayo are there. Second place. Bulk has only missed 1 field goal so far this year. Man, oh man. We're heating up at the right time, I tell you. Feeling good about it. Playoffs just around the corner. Matt Jones and the Patriots playing here in the Blizzard versus Jacksonville. The one team that probably would never expect to play in Blizzard. Trevor Lawrence versus Matt Jones. Jaguars probably regretting they didn't take Matt Daddy first overall. Trevor Lawrence hasn't played as good as Matt Jones in this series or in real life. But it's going to be a test today as the Blizzard conditions be tough to throw the ball. We'll see what these Patriots can do. As a win here today will seal their division title versus the Jacksonville Jaguars. Matt Jones and the Patriots take the field, psyched and ready to go. They know what's at stake. Jaguars and Lawrence looking to play spoilers here. Next up, Jaguars Patriots on Madden 22. Matt Jones getting a feel for how he's not wearing any gloves right now. He's got to be feeling his fingers. Hopefully holds on to the ball. So we got a big contest coming up for a division title. Here we go, people. Trevor Lawrence and the Jaguars on the first possession of the day so far in the snow, seeing what they can do against this Patriots defense. Lawrence steps back, finds his tight end. He's got space. He's running after the catch, breaking tackles. 26 yards. First play of the day for the Jaguars. Not bad. Running back finds some space, but not much. Only 3 yards there for Sargent. 2nd and 7 now. Lawrence, the play action. Finds another tight end receiver. He holds onto the ball. Jaguars already down to the 32-yard line in 3 plays. My goodness. All right. Play action. Patriots trying to bring some pressure on Lawrence. He decides to run it himself, and he slides before Duggar can lay a huge hit on him. 3rd and 3 now. Trevor Lawrence trying to get a first down, and he does a fake little halfback handoff to his running back, but he fumbles it. He gets laid out. He cannot hold on to the ball. That slips out. What a hit. The Patriots now take the field. Matt Jones, 27 touchdowns and 10 interceptions. And he's just he's 7 away from breaking the rookie record. Hand off to Harris. Look at him versus the Bills, 143 yards and 2 touchdowns last week. Just got over 1,000 yards on the year. 2nd and 5 now. Tries to find a receiver open. He finds Myers. Gets some yards after the catch on the sideline. That one is going to be good for 32 yards through the air. Jones finds Myers. Getting some nice protection for Jones lately. Love to see it. First down, hand off to White. That's going to be good for 5 yards. 2nd and 5 now. Jones in the shotgun. Audibles, hands off to Harris. And that is going to be good for first down or just short. 3rd and inches now. Hand off to the big man. He only needed 1 inches. He got yards. 8 yards on the play there for the fullback. Big run from the big man. He's stoked. Pats Nation are loving it. Jones, 2nd and 7 now. Rolls out. Gets protection. Henry's open. He is in. Patriots touchdown. Hunter Henry added into his total on the year. 7-0 Patriots. Little trick play from the Jaguars here. It's good for a first down, 11-yard run. Oh, they're giving Trevor Lawrence the yardage there. 1st and 10 now for the Jaguars, trying to move the ball. Another huge hit by Hightower. Him and Duggar. Just a brutal combination to go against. He's loving it. Trevor Lawrence, 3rd and 8. Starting to feel some pressure. And he gets hit as he throws. That falls incomplete. His first incompletion of the day, 4th and 8. After the punt, down at the 5-yard line. Jones with the handoff to Harris. He's got a couple of yards, good for 4. 2nd and 6 now. Getting closer away from the end zone, I should say. Finds his man, Bourne. Beats one man. That is good for 12 yards. First down, Patriots. Jones getting more and more confident as the year goes on. Love to see it. Speaking of confidence, what a throw to Hunter Henry. Placed him right on the sideline. First down, moving those chains. Hunter Henry giving a signature to the referee there. Matt Jones, their 1-yard loss on the run. Steps back, and he finds James Bourne on the sideline. Another first down, 5 for 5, 80-something yards already from Matt Jones. Are you kidding me? Let the kid throw the pigskin. Next play, Andrew Harris. He gets some big blocks, tries to cut back move. Pete gets by 1, not the 2nd. First down again, moving those chains, and that will do it for the first quarter. Patch Nation are hyped up. They like what they're seeing. Down at the 4-yard line now. Matt Jones sees the run blitz. Decides to make a quick audible. Finds man wide open. Kendrick Bourne in the end zone. 14-0 Patriots, just like that. Ball stuck to him. Can't drop the ball. Beautifully placed. No one around him, wide open. Enjoy it, Kendrick Bourne and Pat's Nation. 14-0. On the ensuing kickoff after the PAT was good. Jaguars on the return. Take it out. And it's a huge hit. It's another fumble. Jaguars. They just fumbled it. Patriots can now go 2 for 1. Oh my goodness. What a mistake by the Jaguars special team. Matt Jones now. Hands off to Harris. That's just good for a couple of yards on the play. 2nd and 6. Tries to find his man Henry. But he breaks a tackle and he rolls out. Matt Jones doing all that he can. 3rd and inches now. Another hand off to the big man. And he's taken down at the 1-yard line. 16 yards on the day for the fullback. Jaguars are like, what can we do to stop this Patriots run team? 2nd goal, speaking of stopping, they can't stop Harris as he runs it in. 21-0. There's still lots of time in the 2nd quarter here. Jaguars are wishing they were on the sunny beach right now, not in the blizzard. Trevor Lawrence in shotgun now, trying to answer back. Only 2 minutes into the 2nd quarter. He's trying to escape the pocket. He does, but he's still going to be recorded for a sack. Just got back to the line of scrimmage. Matthew Judon getting his supermodel pose on, flexing on him. Lawrence trying to escape. Barmore with a hit. Tight end breaks 1 tackle. Bentley tries to dive in, but he misses, so Devin Porty takes his legs out. 96 yards on the day for Lawrence so far. First down. Lawrence. That shoulder throw finds his man. Good for about 8-9 yards. 2nd and 1 now. His running back stiffs arms his way for a first down. Jaguars are starting to move the ball. Trevor Lawrence now. The handoff, huge hit by Kyle Duggar. Doing what he does best. Just laying people out. Loving it. Fires up the whole entire stadium and the team. Stay down. Trevor Lawrence drops back. Has a lot of protection. Rolls out. Sees that he's going to beat Judon. He's got the speed. Tries to dive. Slides and takes out Adebayo and Bledsoe. In the snow. 3rd and 6 now. Lawrence trying to strike back. Gets a little bit of pressure. Rolls out. Matthew Judon is there for the sack. Judon all over Lawrence here today. 2nd sack of the day for Matthew Judon. 4th and 12 now. Lawrence didn't even see him last second. Ran right into him. Ouch. Rookie mistake, Lawrence. Rookie mistake. Patriots now have a chance to go down the field. White cuts back. Was going to run outside, but man, oh man, the patience in his run style is fun to play with. 1st and 10 now after the big run by White. Play action pass. Finds Henry. That's going to be close to a first down. Moving those chains. 8 for 8 for Matt Jones. He's not really throwing the ball much, but he's getting yardage. 2-minute warning now. Jones in shotgun. Finds his man Aguilar. Finds some space. Gets tripped up, but down to the 35-yard line. Almost in field goal range already. Another play action. He's throwing it deep. Forward, John Ross, and he's up there with the catch. One-on-one battle, and he comes down with it at the 4-yard line. What a catch. 2nd and goal now. Jones finds Henry, and he gets his feet down. What a catch by Hunter Henry. The back of the end zone. How did he get those feet down? Amazing athletics by the big tight end. Wide open, but he made sure he can drag his feet, and that will do it. 28-3 at halftime for your New England Patriots. Jacksonville, they're in a nightmare right now. Jones and the Patriots take the ball back after half, up by 25. They hand off to Harris. He breaks one tackle, but he can't break the second. 11-yard run for Harris. First down, Patriots moving those chains. Let's go, baby. 3rd and 8 now. Jones trying to keep the clock moving. Finds Jonnu Smith with a huge catch for a first down. Jones has only missed one pass today. Next play up. Jones, he finds who else? Bourne on the sideline. First down. 232 yards now through the air. Passing attack is heating up. We love it. Bourne 50 yards through the air. 3rd and goal now. James White with the handoff. And he's tackled at the 1. They rule him down. I thought he got in. But apparently not. Landon Collins there with the tackle on White. 4th and goal. You know what we're going to do. We're going to give it to the big boy. Yeah, and he does what he does best. Getting those yards. Touchdown for the fullback, giving him a reward for his hard play this season. 35-3 for your Patriots. Just the onslaught continues here. Pretty much untouched into the end zone. Love to see it. Trevor Lawrence. Halfback delay. We'll try to throw. Sorry, people. Lawrence finds his man. Play action wide open. That's going to be good for a first down. Trevor Lawrence hasn't thrown the ball much either. Only 7 for 9. 2nd and 10. Tries to throw it here. Oh, almost intercepted, but Uche does wrap up right away. 3rd and 4 now. Patriots fans are getting a little savage. Put me in. I can throw. Hightower and Godcho. I think they stopped him for a first down. They did. No forward momentum. 4th and inches. The Jaguars go for it. They don't. They punt it. 35-3. James White gets the ball with the handoff. And he's good for 5 yards. 40 yards on the day for James White. Look at the defense. Barmore, Judon, Hightower. All taking pride in their work today. Finds Hunter Henry. That's good for a first down. Hunter Henry's having himself a day. 2 touchdowns, a couple big catches. 3rd and 5 now for the Patriots. Tries to find his man, Edward. Makes one miss. Oh, nasty spin move. He almost beats the last defender. That would have been a touchdown of the year candidate right there. 2nd and 10 now. 4th quarter. Who else but Bourne? Down at the 9-yard line. First down. Got his feet down on that one. I don't know if they're going to show that. They will not. Alright, 2nd and goal now. James White tries to run it in. Untouched into the end zone. James White is having himself a party in the end zone. Party for one. 42-3 now. Yeah, he went untouched for 10 yards. Jaguars defense, what has happened? Trevor Lawrence trying to get something happen, something positive to head into next week about. Down 42-3. First overall pick versus the 15th overall pick. Jaguars regretting their decisions. Oh, that's a dangerous throw, but Lawrence makes that look easy. Floats that in. He's got eyes in the back of his head, apparently. Lawrence in shotgun. Steps back to throw. Leads his running back wide open. Breaks some tackles. All the way down to the 22-yard line. Lawrence just shy of 200 yards now on the day. We'll play action. Fake. Judon is there for a tackle right away, stopping that one in its tracks. Only 1 yard on the play. 3rd and goal now. Lawrence does what he does best, rolls out, throws his man, threads the needle. What a throw. Showing off some potential why he was picked number 1 right there. Patriots and Jones trying to kill some clock here, up 42-10. James White gets some blocking. He could go. Oh, but he can't beat the last defender. Still a big run by James White. First down, Patriots. 1st and 10 now. Jones finds his man, John Ross. There's some danger. Could get to the end zone. Runs into his blocking. Tries to juke out all 3 guys there. With some big passing yards from John Ross today. Having himself a day. Matt Jones almost reaching the 4,000 passing yards on the season. And he's fast. Got up to 22 miles an hour in the snow. N'Keal Harry got in his way. 42-10. Finds his man. That's John Ross. He rewards him with that effort. Touchdown, Patriots. Jones is 3rd of the day. My, oh my. This team is fun to play with right now. Everything seems to be working. And yes, we are playing on all Madden, people. 49-10 now. But Jonathan Jones comes up with the interception, reads that beautifully. Trevor Lawrence took way too long to throw that one. 49-10. Ouch. High towering Jones there, but Jones couldn't bring it back for a touchdown. Final few seconds here of the game. Jones says, you know what? I'm going to hand it off to Stevenson, and he's going to get his first NFL his first or second NFL touchdown at least. He runs it in from way out for the touchdown. Getting some confidence for the young rook. Good 20 yards out. Doesn't get touched until the goal line. Jones loves it. 56-10. High tower now. Drops back in coverage. Trevor Lawrence feels the pressure. Tries to throw, but Kyle Duggar reads that perfectly. Trevor Lawrence back-to-back interceptions. And that is showing why Jones should have been picked 1st overall. This Patriots defense is on a roll. Jaguars head coach can't believe it. 56-10. Man, oh man. Are we Super Bowl contenders all of a sudden? What is going on? Jones is threading the needle, playing like Tom Brady, Peyton Manning. Defense is playing like the Legion of Doom. But until next time, we'll see you versus Miami. Cheers, people.